So hey guys, I'm back to another video. So in today's video, we are looking into very first chapter of the new book of biology, that is a biological molecule. So in the very beginning of the chapter, we have got to learn about biochemistry. Biochemistry, right? So you know we have studied that in biochemistry, what is biochemistry in the branches of biology as well, and we are having a complete chapter named as biological molecule, which will be dealing with biochemistry, right? So as we have gone through it in the branches of biology, same we are going it here. So as the name indicates, that is, it is something related to biology and chemistry, right? So biology and chemistry, this means that they both are linking in various ways. I give example how they are linking, like we are eating chemistry, we are chemistry, and we are based upon chemistry, right? We are made of chemistry, we are drinking chemistry. So that is the link between bio and chemistry, and that chemistry has a great importance for the bio, and bio is based upon chemistry in a way we can say that, right? So what we need to do first of all is that we need to look into the definition of biochemistry. First of all, it is the branch of biology, right? It is branch of bio or biology that deals with the that deals with the biochemical basis of life. You can say that it explains biochemical basis of life, biochemical basis of life, right? So biochemistry is a branch of biology that deals with the explanation of biochemical basis of life. So biochemical basis of life, what we do consider by that. So there are certain sort of molecules or chemicals that are, we do say that they are building blocks of life. Even though we have got periodic table, in that periodic table we have got 16 different elements that are found in the human body. From here you can find the link between bio and chemistry. Into that we have got six elements, naming carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, uh, phosphorus and sulfur, that are said to be the vital uh, elements, right? There are 16 elements present in body, while six are vital, right? Six are said to be vital. So moving forward, we have gone through the definitions of biochemical basis of life. So from here, I do mean to say that what do we want to say the biological basis? There are some several sort of uh, you know uh, biochemicals, chemicals of biology, chemicals of bio. So that are basically four, said to be four, even though there are more than that, but the main to include carbohydrate, amino acid, no, carbohydrate, protein, that we are discussing about the polymers. They have also have their monomers as well, carbohydrate, proteins, and nucleic acid and lipids, right? So they have got their own, we have got their monomers as well, like we have got starch, amino acid, and these sort of things. So we need to look into understand what are the, there are some sort of chemical substances being linked between biology and chemistry, and that is we need to study. And they have got a great importance. The carbohydrate is present in the food, they are all nutrients present in the food, and proteins are the building structure. They have got a great importance. Moving forward, what do we have next? We have, we will be looking into why is that important, why we are studying that, how it is. Even it is said that most important, it is also an MCQ, that what is the most important branch of biology. We can say that that is the biochemistry. So biochemistry is the most important branch of biology. Why is it important? So the answer is that it leads us to, it has made us lead to learn a lot of things. First of all, we have got to learn how different uh, different processes take place in our body, even though it involves the chemical, we can say the metabolism. It involves up to the from the metabolism and up to the you know nucleus, or sorry, the neutron, or the, we can say that the nucleus flow of information through the nucleus up to flow of info in nucleus. It can be considering various sort of other things. It has made us, made us understand a lot of different concepts. We need to understand enzymes, the biological catalyst. We have got to understand, you know, we have got to understand the metabolism. We have got to understand. Okay, we'll be looking at other points. We'll be covering that remaining things in that. So the second most, the best thing that it has given is that uh, it has made us understand diseases and deal with it. Okay, how we are dealing with it. So deal with it. Uh, you know, synthesizing medicines and understanding. We need to understand the you know uh, chemicals, biochemicals involved in medicines. All the medical or the pharmacology is based on the biomolecules or the biochemistry, right? It is based on biochemistry. Every there is a every element or something has its own proportion that is very important. So that is because of the biochemistry. So what are the other importance that we have is the biochemistry has made us enable us to understand that how it has made us understand difficult questions it has made us understand different question where that any other branch of biology did not made us understand. That the question may be how cell growth take place, right? How cell growth take place, how cell growth take place, and how medicines, how proper, or you can say specific medicines do work. Okay, so there are different biological questions that we have able to understand by the help of bio. Likewise, like how memory works. Okay, so we are done with the importance. Why do we study it, and what is biochemistry? We'll be looking into some extra information. So let's go for that. Okay, so in extra 7 extra information we do have, uh, we have right we have biryani. The most favorite food of Pakistanis. We have biryani, got biryani, and in biryani we have got uh, you know we have got carbohydrate, and in carbohydrate there is starch present. Starch is a monomer, or you can say the form of carbohydrate. So how we can say that starch is present in rice. So that is the composition of the biryani. The main composition of biryani is the carbohydrate or the starch. uh, you know uh, when this biryani enters oral cavity, the mouth part. So We have got started chewing, right? So we have got saliva plus starch, right? uh, we have got saliva plus starch. What would be the result? Can anybody of you guess, right? So the result is maltose. Okay, so result is maltose. The starch is polysaccharide, while the maltose is disaccharide. Why did it happen? So the starch, you know, uh, the polysaccharide, it is got after the chewing, it got break into maltose. That is a simpler form, that is the catabolic form of the starch. Maltose is a catabolic form of starch, we can say that as well. So I've got another information that is about the fat. Fat is also, we can say that it is a form of carbohydrate. So in fat we have got, in a one molecule of fat, there are three, we can say that three uh, fatty acids, three fatty acid and a glycerol. That would be the composition of fat. And it is having fatty acid and glycerols. And we have got a disease, a temporary disease called allogastric allogastric, right? So that is temporary disease, we can say that. That is, we have got acidity or something like that. That is allogastric. We can say in Urdu that sine ki jalan, sine ki jalan, right? So this is the, relating some sort of relating things to the biochemistry. We how biochemistry we use, we just use eno. We have got eno and the substance like that. They have the eno is composed of salt, and that what it does, it weakens the strongness strongness of fatty acid, right? So this is how the biochemistry has helped us. We have got acidity, we'll be eating we have every, in today's modernized world, we have got solution for everything. So that is all because of biochemistry in the field of biology. So hope you can understand something. Thank you, goodbye.